Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. Assalamu alaikum. The sensorial activity practical number 9. And today the new sense is going to be occur, and that is the sense of olfactory or the sense of tactical. Yes, the sense of tactical, it is just related to texture. Whenever child born, we find softness, hardness and the feeling in environment and the people around us. In a Montessori environment, we introduce touch boards. A touch board is a wooden board divided into two halves. One half has a smooth surface and the other is hard. The rectangle wooden board with 4 strips of sandpaper is also can be seen and shown. Here the two, and along with the two, rough and smooth, 2-finger touch concept being developed. This is how child understand the surface and the texture of any surface. Rough and smooth, rough and smooth. Along with this touch sense or the sense of tactical, language is being developed. When you are saying it's rough, it's smooth, the language concepts being given and the division as well. The third presentation related to the same one is the board with more and more specific segmentation of surface. Sometimes it has soft, softer and very softest. Sometimes some surfaces are rough, rougher and very roughest. You can find these Montessori material around, but if not, generate your own. Thank you so much.